Yes, guys, this is the pigeon fighting on the west side. Go on, pigeon, get the shit out of him, go on.
Go on, pigeon.
Go on, pigeon. Don't let him bully you, mate. Don't let him fucking pick on you.
Don't let him pick on you.
What?
Don't let him pick on you.
What, does one want to fuck each other?
Yeah, they won't fuck each other.
Oh, right. Don't worry, I won't get you in the video. Here comes third one, he's already coming free.
What you been up to?
Not a lot, really. I've just been doing mad YouTube videos, Mark.
Just been doing YouTube. You're on YouTube now.
Yeah, my YouTube channel. Oh, fantastic. Well, you know, we've got 3 pigeons now. They're loving that hot crust bun, aren't they, Mark? Oh, I've seen a pigeon there the other day. It had near enough no feet. It was well fucking cute. Fighting over a hot crust bun, eh, look?
People aren't interested, Maxie, in doing their own thing.